Feeling they've weathered that early storm and now they can start to attack. Afridi! Well, that's the way to do it. They may have conceded possession. They may not have had any shots until that moment. But what a way to open your account. Afridi Boyamayum had a long-range shot that went just wide in the game against Naroka, but this time he's got his angles absolutely spot on. And TRAU lead by 1-0. Great ball in, maybe a hint of offside there. Good save again. Tajudeen, who just got a hand to that. I thought there was going to be a flag there, but the flag stayed down. And Zahir with a really good chance in front of goal. Long range from VJ. Goalkeeper got across quickly and watched it wide. Tajudeen coming in for his first start of the... Here's VJ. Another long ranger. It's a little bit better that time. On target again. Comfortable in the end for the goalkeeper, who had plenty of time to see that coming through the crowd. The 135th edition of the Indian Oil Durand Cup, powered by State Bank of India Limited, organised by the Armed Forces and supported by the government of Manipur. And what a start that is. 16 seconds into the second half, Indian Navy have just walked straight through that TRAU.